Today, we're diving into an upgrade option for Dell PowerEdge servers, the CMS 32GB DDR4 2400MHz ECC non-registered DIMM memory upgrade. This kit, comprising two 16GB modules, promises to elevate your server's performance seamlessly. First off, let's talk compatibility. CMS guarantees that this kit fits perfectly with Dell PowerEdge T130, PowerEdge R330, and PowerEdge R230 models. And with a memory type of ECC non-registered DIMM, you can trust in its reliability for critical operations. Speed matters, and this DDR4-19200 memory runs at a brisk 2400 MHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and handling of demanding workloads. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty, backed by Computer Memory Solutions, you can be confident in your investment. Though the product appearance may vary, the performance is consistent. And while this kit is primarily aimed at servers, it's also compatible with certain laptops, broadening its utility. In conclusion, if you're looking to boost the capabilities of your Dell PowerEdge server, the CMS 32GB DDR4 2400MHz ECC non-registered DIMM memory upgrade offers a compelling solution. With reliability, speed, and compatibility on its side, it's a worthy investment for enhancing your server's performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.